Okay, this video is a celebration of the great state of Yucatan in the nation of Mexico. And right here I have this great book called The Essential Cuisines of Mexico by this English woman, Diana Kennedy, who is the first person, a foreigner, who lived most of her life in Mexico and dedicated her life into promoting and celebrating the cuisines and the food of Mexico. And this lady, she just like a legendary person. She is decorated with the Order of the Aztec Eagle, the highest decoration that a foreign person can get in from the Mexican people. And this lady just, like I said, she dedicated her entire life into celebrating and promoting the foods of and the cuisines of Mexico. And like I said, this video is a celebration of the state of Yucatan in Mexico. And here Diana Kennedy, she gives one recipe called picadillo sencillo para garnachas, ground meat filling for garnachas. And this is from Yucatan, authentic recipe from Yucatan. We need 1 tablespoon melted lard or vegetable oil, and we have it right here. Need 1 garlic clove finely chopped, and I got it right here. 1/3 of a cup, 85 milliliters of finely chopped white onion, and I have it right here. 2 cups of finely chopped tomatoes, and we got it right here. And 1 pound of ground beef, 450 grams. We've got some ground beef right here. We're gonna use some of it for this. And then the salt to taste. We're going to hit the oil in large skillet and fry the garlic and onion until translucent. Then we're going to add the tomatoes and fry over fairly high heat until reduced, about 3 minutes. Then we're gonna stir in the meat, ground beef with salt to taste, and cook over medium heat, stirring from time to time until cooked about 10 minutes. And the mixture should be moist but not juicy. So this is a very simple recipe, but it comes from the state of Yucatan, and this video is a celebration of the state of Yucatan, and my greetings to all the wonderful people in Yucatan. Thank you. Okay, again, this video is a celebration of the great state of Yucatan, with such a long history and the culture and the beauty of the place in Yucatan and all the wonderful people. And I actually have this little postage stamp here, if you can see it, from Yucatan, showing some of the beauty and some of the history of that place in Yucatan. And something else very special is this hot sauce, salsa picante de chile habanero, el yucatano, el yucateco, and it's from Canacin, Yucatan, Mexico. Right here, they even have the address. And I wish I can just visit the people there and just express my thanks for the wonderful products that they make. And but again, we're celebrating the people and the places in Yucatan. Thank you.